Okay, here's several trees. This is a small one that have to come out of this tight alley so that I don't scrape against this house over here. I'm tying them up at the top. I don't know if you can see the rope that goes up over the branch is tied approximately halfway point. The rope isn't tied up there, but it's twisted around. The end comes down here, so I can retrieve the rope if I need to without getting to that point, but also so that I can control it a little more. And so I'm going to be tying that off and then swinging that. This is the trunk of one that I just took down, so I'll continue on. Instead of using a lowering device, I hooked the rope coming down the trunk of the tree underneath this stub around this way and over like that as a secure point. It ties fast and it releases quickly also. This line goes up this tree, through that crotch, through the crotch in that tree, and is looped around that branch and comes down here and is tied off. This tree here limits the movement. I'm going to try to tighten it up as much as I can to pull that tree into this one, which will pull this one toward the center to help that swing around toward this one here. Without that one in the middle, there would be a lot more movement. So we'll get to. Okay, you can see how I cut from the back, no face cut. And this here pulled away. This tear is basically on the other side as far as holding wood, so that it would go that way. This has been trimmed off. It's suspended pretty much where I want it. Now it's just a matter of lowering it down. Here's a closer look at how I tied that rope off. Basically, this came down to the trunk, went through that crotch. I just put this one over top, brought it down, and tied it off there. Okay. Again, you can see how I cut from this side in, leaving this strap, which held it so it could spin around. Okay, this one was severed and was hanging off the other one. To pull it sideways slowly so that it would rest in that other one, I left it attached. I cut it again from the back, leaving holding wood front. Now I'm going to take the one hanging off to decrease the weight on that other tree and get that last one down. Okay, you can see how this wood is bent right over. It was at a balancing point. The lower it got to the ground, the more it broke and the more it wanted to come down. So that worked for getting these out of here.